Hi, this is MK Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel MK Trader. This channel is created for an educational purpose. Here I am going to share my knowledge about technical analysis for price action trading, and I am not a SEBI registered advisor. If you want to take trade based on my analysis, please keep the stop loss and take the trades, or else conduct your own analysis and take the trades. If you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe and share my video and hit the like buttons for more Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis daily basis and also weekly basis. And I give my Telegram link in description. Please subscribe my Telegram channel also. In Telegram channel, I clearly mentioned where to enter, where to exit in Nifty and Bank Nifty, or short opportunity and long opportunities also, with analysis chart and stop loss and targets I mentioned. I will show you in the end of this video my Telegram channel. And once again, welcome to weekly market review. In weekly market review, Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis with the higher time frame, that is weekly time frame. This is the Nifty chart. In this weekly chart, I expect price from this area to retest this support area around 13,000 13,500 to 13,300 zone I expected, because this trend line, this area not retested yet, so we expect a bearish move on Nifty and in weekly time frame. In weekly time frame, this trend line, the rising trend line, it's a very good support trend line. So this trend line is already broken out and pullback is also over. So then next directional bias is downside, first target and next up to 13,500 range. Nifty in daily chart is clear a downward channel, price zigzag between this channel. So next direction to price come to hit this lower leg of the channel, and also here some ranges there. This area, this trend line hit 3 times, price respect that trend line and traded below. So the next directional bias to this support trend line, this area I expect, and this channel in hour 4, it's clear channel. So this channel is also broken out. Now price traded below this trend line, lower leg of the channel, so expect a bearish move on Nifty in next week. In hour 4 time frame, if we connect these touches, we mark this one by green for hour 4 time frame. Price traded below this trend line, so we expected another move to downside, the first support area. And if this support area breaks around 14,400, 14,400, this level is also break, then expected another bearish move up to lower leg of the daily chart. That's around 13,800 to 13,500 area. In my early reviews, I mentioned Nifty traded in a upward channel and price failed to hit this lower upper leg of the channel. So the lower leg is already broken out. Then we expect another move to downside to 14,000. If price bounce back, if price bounce back and break this trend line, the daily trend line, then we expect another pullback around this area. If we find any reversal bullish candle here, then we expect another bullish move on Nifty around this price neck to complete hit this upper leg of the channel. So let's see, but still price traded below this trend line. So search for short opportunity. Short opportunities. If price bounce back and once again retest this trend line, we expect another bullish move. In hourly time frame, some pullback to this area around 14,800. Any rejection candle here, that's a pin bar or inside candle, then we expect another move to downside to this zone around 14,400 and then into 14,000 something. That's all for Nifty. In Bank Nifty, this is the weekly chart. So in weekly chart, in my previous weekly review, I explained this bearish candle, this bearish pin bar might, this the bearish pin bar might push the price to this area. So price failed to hit this high of the pin bar. So we expect a bearish move on Bank Nifty also up to this area around 30,000 to 29,000 zone. This the support area. This is support area. I expected a bearish move on Bank Nifty in weekly time frame. Bank Nifty in daily chart, this trend line acted a very good resistance trend line. So price it's four times and respect this trend line and bounce to support zone four times. So next directional bias is up to this area around 30,500 range. This is the support zone for Bank Nifty. So I expected price once again back to this zone in daily time frame, and also this is line we connected looking like a channel but not clear. Bank Nifty in hour 4 time frame, expect a range here to come, price come to hit this zone. Is there any bounce from this zone, then we expect a bullish move. Until I am bearish on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty in hourly time frame, this trend line, the rising trend line, is broken out here. So some little pullback. Now price traded below this trend line. So we expect another bearish move on Bank Nifty up to 30,500 in next week. Now in hourly time frame, price facing some support here. If this support break and we expect some pullback, and then if we find any rejection here, so then price back to this support zone. And also this trend line, we connect this trend line. This looks like a flat bottom triangle. If price bounce back to this zone, then we expect another bearish move from Bank Nifty. That's all for Bank Nifty. Thank you for watching. Have a profitable week.